Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. Have you ever wondered what would happen if your dad was a god, Zeus is trying to kill you, and you have been framed? Well, Percy Jackson knows how it feels in the graphic novel Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. Percy is a teenager that has dyslexia and ADHD. It starts off in the Met standing for the Metropolitan Museum of Art and is on a field trip. His history teachers Chiron and Mrs. Dots is teaching them about the Greek gods. Percy thought it was all a dream, but it turns out his mom's dead, his dad is a god, his friend is a satyr, and Mrs. Dots is the god of the underworld's henchmen. Percy wakes up in Camp Half-Blood's hospital bed and his friend Grover sitting next to him. He asked Grover if it was all a dream. Grover said, "Look up," and he arose with goat legs. Grover showed Percy around Camp Half-Blood, where all the other kids that are sons and daughters from God stay. Grover and Percy saw Chiron as a centaur, a man/horse. Chiron said if they do not journey to Zeus, there will be a massive war and Earth will be destroyed. This is because other gods are not allowed to steal from other gods. Zeus's lightning bolt went missing. Zeus believed that Percy took it. Now they venture forward to find Zeus's master bolt and to confront the thief. They make their way out of Camp Half-Blood and onto a bus. They see 3 old ladies with glowing eyes staring at them. Percy asked if they were okay and started to attack them. It turns out Hades wants Zeus's bolt and thinks Percy has it. It had become nighttime and they had no shelter. They found a casino/motel and they thought they would sleep there. When they arrived, some ladies asked if they would like a sample. So they started to eat and they felt weary. They were under mind control for what felt like a few hours, but was actually days. To find out more, you'll have to read the book yourself to find out what happens to Percy, the Master Bolt, and the future of the gods. I gave this book a 4.5 out of 5 stars. I give it this rating because the graphic novel was good, but it only mentioned Annabeth's name once. Also, the novel was more detailed than the graphic novel. Finally, I didn't love the character design in the graphic novel. Overall, the book is still a high rating because I love the storyline. I also like learning about the Greek gods. This is not Zeus's lightning bolt. This is a replica of a lightning bolt. That is a light.